Hey Naturally High Lifers, welcome to my YouTube channel and a new video. Here's the spot where we tap in within and live our best lives. I'm Queen Sarita from naturallyhighlife.com, a spiritual life coach, here to create and manifest the best life with you. I'm back again with another video to assist you on your life journey to speed up your manifesting and living your dreams. Welcome if you're new, and welcome back if you're already subscribed as well, to learn how to be more of who you are and to tap into your own unique gifts using the laws of the universe and the ancestral wisdom of the ages. Stay tuned and stay in the loop by subscribing, hitting the bell to receive all notifications and video updates that can help you shift positively ahead. All right. Now, if you need extra assistance and help from me, you can sign up for my tarot coaching sessions. Not only that, I also offer a 33-day online video course on how to awaken the intuitive language of tarot. Also a psychic medium course. Also a spirit guide alignment course and a Get Happy and Transform Your Life course. You can find these links for each of these offers in the description area, and you'll find them below this video. There's also a sale as well going on right now for a limited time. You want to catch that and register and sign up before the prices go up. All right, let's get into our video topic today. Hey, do you ever doubt your tarot reading ability? Doubting your tarot knowledge, plus doubting your overall instincts, plus your unique intuitive abilities is a part of getting started. When I first wanted to start learning tarot, it was mad challenging for me. I felt alone. I felt like I was losing. I felt like I was taking too long to learn the pictures, symbols, words, numbers, meanings, and the entire tarot system in general. Plus, it felt strange to be interested in something that wasn't mainstream at all. So I felt like I had chosen a rough path because tarot is still quite taboo. At least in the mainstream world, it sure was. Things have changed over the years still, though. If you ask me, tarot is still considered a bit taboo by the mainstream world. Whether tarot is considered taboo or not, that's not the concern I started to eventually have. Instead, I figured tarot is so valuable that it was suppressed throughout history. So much so that folks don't know where the origin of tarot actually began. It's time for the truth to come out about the universe, about mysticism and intuition, because these are vital components of our universe, and also is a part of us all. Tarot can aid us in this new age of Aquarius. This is time for sacred knowledge to get out into the right hands and minds. And it's time to reclaim our power, and tarot can surely help with this. Do you ever wish you knew tarot meanings like the back of your hand? Have you found yourself caught up in the fear of not getting the meanings right when you read tarot? Have you longed for simpler methods to read tarot cards? Do you desire to have more confidence and control over the way you learn and read tarot? Has it been overwhelming to learn intuitive tarot online or in books with little help or support? If you answered yes at all, then stay tuned for the next video, because we're going to learn several delicious intuitive tarot processes that can really make things way more easier for those of you who are on the massive road to gaining more intuitive tarot reading clarity. If you have any insights or questions, respond to this in the comments, and I'll read your comments and answer you back.